Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're gonna discuss about JavaScript object. How can you define that? What about properties inside JavaScript object? Are you ready for that? Yeah. So let's move here. First of all, let's define an object, and that object you're gonna define it like that. You have to put your properties between two curly brackets like that. Awesome. And after that, you're gonna start define your object properties. So first of all, I will define, for example, name, and here is it. I will say string, which is basically Darwish. After that, you're gonna put that colon, all right? Then we're gonna define maybe my age, that one 30, and maybe you're gonna define other things. It's up to you. You're gonna define, here is it. It's working like a key and value. Here's it. The first property is a name, which is basically a key. After that, this part is a value. Here that is a key, and that one is a value, and so on. So this basically is the way how can you define an object in JavaScript. But hey Darwish, how can I display it? Alright, just go and say console.log. And after that, if you say just an obj, which is basically the name of the object, it will give you everything. It will give you age, name. But why he give you age before name? Yeah, because he sort the things alphabetical. So age start by A, name is N. So he put it in alphabetical way in definition of your object. That's awesome. But guess what? If you need only to give me the value of age, how can you do it? Just say obj and the name of your property. In my case, dot age. obj.age give you 30, which basically the value of age property. So this is a way how can you retrieve the value of any property inside JavaScript object. Thank you for watching.